you guys, welcome back with Astro AOZ, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple combination lock. That one over there, that one failed, but I'm pretty sure that I'm going to get this one right. So, anyways, this will work. So what you're going to need for this very easy combination lock, like it's super easy, like if you're terrible at redstone, this will probably make sense to you if I explain it to you, which I will at the end of the video. You are going to need any blocks of your choice. You only need one at the least. I just chose that one, but I also chose that. You don't need a door. No, door. No, bye door. Bye. Okay, yeah. Anyways, yeah. So you need all the items that are basically in my inventory. Any blocks of your choice. You need the levers, of course, a sticky piston, redstone, and a repeater, and you need a torch, a redstone torch. I don't know why that's not in my inventory. I think I might have accidentally dropped it, I don't know. But anyway, so make a little platform. I'm just doing it like this, and then you're going to want to put levers on there. Now you can make your combination as big as you want, but for this, I'm just going to make it simple. So you're going to want to put, on the ones that you want to be down, you're going to put redstone torches. So I'm going to have it like that. Yeah, okay. So for the ones that you want down, you put redstone torches. For the ones you want up, you have them stay there. And then what you want to do is have that going there. And then we're going to, yeah. So after that, we're just going to put redstone going there. And for the one that you want up, put that down. And then have a block right there, so would, yeah, have that go over here, and then have it come over here. Boom. That's basically all of the redstone wiring. So as you can see, if you put this one down, that one up, down, down, as you can see, none of the redstone is activated. But if you put one up, then that all gets activated. And so you put that down, and you can't just have them all down, because then that one will be activated. Yes, that's where I messed up last time, because I tried to make a really complicated one. And what you're going to want to do now is, could this go to a door? You could have a door, maybe. I don't know. Let me just see. If you do use a door, if this does work, then you need an iron door. And come on, X! This always happens. The X won't work. I am literally spamming the X right now, you guys. Like, you don't understand. I am pressing the X like non-stop. I've probably pressed it like 30 times now. Come on, X! Oh my god. Please, X! 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 Finally! Finally! Hope I didn't place that anywhere. No, I didn't. Okay, so now that's going to go down there. Wait a minute. So then you have to have that right there. goes through. Then you have the redstone. It would come down like that. And then it would meet maybe a door. I don't know. Let me see if the door works. Or I don't know. Wait a minute. If I would... Oh, yeah, a door would work. But you wouldn't place it regularly. You would have to place it on its side. Or, go over here and place it on its side, there, like that. And then, if you would get the right combination, it should open. Come on. Really? Okay, it's open when you have the right combination. There we go! Okay, so if you don't have the right combination, you can have it like that. So you could basically just have it like that. And, or if you want to do a better one like me, because it's kind of easy to break that, you can, like, see inside of it and see if you really wanted that. You could make it a piston door. So then what you're going to want to do is come around the side just like that. Go through here. Start making your way over here. It's basically a 2x2 piston door, but it's a lot different with the wiring up for opening. So you do that. So have repeaters going over there. And, hang on. So if that would be where it started. Iron, 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 iron. Then it would come around here. Yeah. Okay. So, have more redstone coming over here. And then I'm going to have a sticky piston like that, and then have another one. But okay, and but this one, it's going to go have a block up. It's going to go a block up, so it powers us both. And now put another one right there. You don't have to make this all iron under it. I'm just doing it so it doesn't look terrible. Redstone. Boom. And, so now, just have another block up there. No, not a repeater. Redstone. Oh, wait, I forgot. No, never mind. I forgot the pistons. Make that go block more out. Boom. Just make it go. Okay. So it'd be like that. Power that there. And the sticky pistons. And then you put a block there. And then put in the redstone. So, as you can see, that is all closed up. You can decorate that however you want. Yeah. So, you can see your door. You can hide that all. But you'd have to have a hole right there. You can just have a little overhang right here. If you would like, I don't know. That's my decorating job. I'm not good at building, you guys. So now, if you have the right combination, I forgot the combination. Okay, those are down. This one's up. I did it opposite. So, if you have the correct combination, you can see it opens. But as soon as it's wrong, it closes. And then there's one wrong. Then, of course, it's not right. Sorry, that's my little sister. She is trying to ask my mom a question. And then probably just have it go like that, because you don't want everybody walking on your redstone. And then you have a nice path over there. Oh wait, no, don't put that there. Don't put that there. Go into there just like that. There we go. So, if you guys did enjoy this, then please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel if you would like more content like this. And, yeah, bye you guys.